In this video I'll show you how to unzip files in Windows 11. This guide also works for Windows 10. So join me, Mark, a network engineer with 26 years of experience working for ISP, managed service providers and corporations. With that, let's get started. So if you've watched the previous video, we actually zipped these files into a zip folder here. And if you want to see that video, I'll pop it in the description for you below. So this is our zip file. So if we take the scenario that you've received this via email and you've now moved it to the desktop. So how to unzip the file is simply right click on the file and you want to go down to extract all. Click on that. So this will give you the path where it's going to extract it to. So it's going to put it back on the desktop in this scenario here. So we can just click extract there and wait a few seconds. So if it's extracted the files, we can see over on the left here. And it's also, these are the files inside, and then we're free obviously to open those as we want to, just as an example, and close that. So this is the unzip file and we can unzip that there. So that's method one. So now if we look at method two, go into my documents here, and I've got a folder called how to zip, and I'm going to extract this one. So let's extract this here. So select the file and then hit the button extract all here. Okay, and that's set to extract to my documents, which is the folder we're in, and we can hit extract. And there we go. So if I just close this down, you can see that it's created. We've got the zip file, and then we've got the extracted unzip file here, and we can click on that and access files as we need to. Just for example, the image that I've got saved here. And there we go. So let's close those down. So these are the two quick and easy methods to unzip files in Windows. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.